How to rent a car on Qatar Airways. Hi everyone, welcome once again to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be teaching you how you can rent a car on Qatar Airways. So if this is your question, ensure you watch to the end so that you won't miss any important information. Okay. The first step is to log in into your Qatar Airways account, just like I have done here. Once you're logged in, you'll see the Qatar Airways logo, you'll see Explore, Book, Experience, Privilege Club. By the time you scroll down, you see different places that you can visit using Qatar Airways. So for you to rent a car, all you need to do is to move to the top part of the screen here and then click on book. Now once you click on book, you'll be brought to the books page. On this page, you'll see the option or the column to plan your trip, travel information, and groups and business travel. Then under plan your trip, you can see flight schedule, hotels, then car rentals. Alright. So just click on that. After clicking on car rentals, you'll be taken to the car rentals page. Okay, currently this page is not being displayed, so you can just go back or click on reload to reload the page. Okay, this seems to be a technical issue directly from Qatar Airways. That means that the car rentals page is not available for now, but you can just keep trying. All right, at your end, it might be available. Once you click on car rentals, if you take it to the car rentals page, on this page, you see the different cars available. Select the one you want, and depending on the amount you can afford. Select the number of days you'd want to rent the cars for. Select your location, etc. Go ahead, make payment, and then the car will be rented automatically. And then if you cannot still find your way around this, you can just contact the customer support so you can be taught on what to do. So that is it. This is how you can rent a car on Qatar Airways. Very, very simple and sure you try it out. Thanks for watching.